Hello everybody, welcome here to another video. I'm going to be filming a spend the day with me vlog. I'm basically heading down to meet my friend that I haven't seen in I think 9 months, which is crazy. Yeah, I'm going to see her and it's just going to be a nice catch up. We're going to go to a shopping centre, walk around there, do a bit of shopping, and yeah, just basically have a good old chat. I was going to say catch up. Chat and a catch up. But yeah, I'm starting the vlog. It's currently... It's currently 12 o'clock. And I just almost finished getting ready. I just did my makeup, but I still have to do my hair, but it's still drying because I washed it, because it's a Saturday. You know the drill. If you've watched my previous videos, I always wash my hair on Saturday. But yeah, I did my makeup, nothing special, just my usual everyday makeup, and I got dressed. I'm having the worst cramps today that I literally woke up and I was like, I can't move. I just can't move. So yeah, but I was like, I need to drug myself up and get up and get on with my day because I'm not missing seeing her again, and there's always something popping up. So yeah, it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna power through. So I was getting my outfit together and I was like, there's no way I'm wearing jeans, just no way. Like, I can't have my stomach bet into jeans. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. It's super casual. It's my go-to outfit. Leggings, a shirt, Uggs. Yeah, I know it's still March, and it's still March. It's March and I'm still wearing Uggs, but they're just so comfy. It's like I'm wearing slippers, so that's why I'm wearing them. So this is my outfit. I'm basically going super casual. This shirt is from I Saw It First. It's a huge oversized shirt. It's really soft. I really like it. I saw Gemma Louise wearing it on her YouTube video, and I went straight into the link and bought it straight away because she wore it in a previous vlog and I didn't know where it was from and I wanted it so bad. It probably needs an iron, but who has time for that? So yeah, I'm wearing this with some Dunnes leggings, just the ones that I usually wear, the contour leggings. They're the best ones, honestly. They're €15 and they're the best. And then I just have a crop top, a black crop top on, and socks, and then I'm gonna wear some Uggs, and that's basically it. But yeah, that's one of the pieces I got from I Saw It First. And then another thing is here, and it's this brown cord. It's really cool. It's really comfy. I'm gonna get changed and I'll show you what this looks like, and then I'll pop this back on. But yeah, that's the only two, well, three, but two things that I got, because I don't know, I haven't been like clothes shopping that much these days. I bought that jacket recently from H&M, but that's about it. So I've been good. But yeah, I'm gonna try that on for you and show you what it looks like. It's really nice and comfy, perfect for like a cozy day at home. Even wearing it with Uggs outside with a jacket or something, that would be really cool. So here is what the cord looks like. I just put my Uggs on just to show you what it looks like. But it's this jumper with like a fake kind of collar. And then this is the trousers. They're like cuffed at the bottom and they're pretty high-waisted, as you can see, and then they just tie here in the middle. But yeah, it's really comfy and I really like it, just for a casual day when I want to be comfortable. And it's brown, which I love. Of course, you can also wear the shirt open. I didn't show it to you open, but that's what it would be like. I usually would have it open like more often than closed, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I really, really like it. I'm gonna link both of the things below so you can have a look. And they weren't that expensive either, so. It was also my first time shopping with ISAWITFIRST. I've never bought anything from them before. So yeah, it was a good experience. I also forgot to mention that I got the shirt in a 14 because I love my shirts, super oversized. And I got the set in medium, so just for size reference. But yeah, I'm going to speak to you in the car when I'm on the way to the shopping centre, and I hope you can join me on my day. I'm leaving my house, and first of all, I'm going to the nearest shop there is, the petrol station. So, petrol and diesel in Ireland, well, all over the world, but in Ireland, has gone through the roof. And diesel is now more expensive than petrol, which is unusual in Ireland. I know, I think everywhere else that's usually the normal, but not in Ireland. Diesel is usually cheaper, and now it's dearer, and it's like €2. Actually stresses me out. So, is the camera hitting the thing? So, we're going to get diesel before I take on my travels. And yeah, just gonna head to Liffey Valley Shopping Centre. If you're local to me, then you know where that is. I'm really excited to go into Penny's Boots because their Boots is like really nice. It's really big and it has all the new stalls and everything. And I'm also excited to go to TK Maxx. And where else am I excited to go? Oh, and Zara. Oh gosh, Zara, of course. They have a new Zara since like before Christmas or something, and it is glorious. Honestly, so nice. So yeah, we're just gonna mooch around for a few, and I also really want to try the new Starbucks drink. It's like an iced shaken espresso or something like that. I really want to try the brown sugar one. So there's a ton of people walking around. Yeah, I really want to try the brown sugar one because that's a bit of me. So I'm going to try that, see how it is. My friend Sophie tried the, I think the vanilla one or something like that, the white chocolate one or something like that, and she said like it was nothing special. So I'm hoping the brown sugar one is nice. I think her sister had it and she said it was really sweet, but I like that, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to let you go and get some diesel and then I'll be back. 197.9, like, why? F you, Russia. It's all because of that. It's all because of the war. What is going on in the world? I swear. Like, we said goodbye to COVID. COVID, what is that? Like, I haven't heard of anything COVID related since the war started. Like, give me a break. Give us a break. Not just me. Everybody, give us a break. Let us breathe for like a month or so, no? Going from, oh my gosh, there's a little, oh my gosh, 2 little lambs. They're the first ones I've seen. Oh, that's amazing. It's the 12th of March and I just saw 2 baby lambs. They were tiny. They were literally the size of my hand. I just love spring. I love it. I love it. I feel like I mention it in every single one of my videos, but it's the best. It's honestly the best. Right, I'm gonna go because this is not a drive with me. It seemed to be only vlogging in the car. It's not a drive with me, so goodbye. I'll see you soon when we get to where we're going. Guys, do you know the way I said that this morning I had like really bad cramps, and I still have them. So I took painkillers, I took like cramp tablets, so I'm kind of like, I'm not loopy or anything, but I mustn't be thinking straight because I was getting diesel. I went in to pay. I'm coming out and somebody like is walking in, so I took the door off him basically, kind of. And he walks in, and instead of saying thanks, because he like held it open a little bit for me to get out, instead of saying thanks, I said hello. Like, I don't know this man. I'm so embarrassed. Why do I do this? I do this on a daily, honestly. Like, just, I feel like that's just me. Embarrassing myself is a thing of mine. He opens the door. Hello. He probably was like, do I know her? No, love, you don't. I'm just not thinking straight. Happy Saturday. Eye cream?
No, it's a small one of this.
It's huge, isn't it? They're usually a lot smaller. I have that.
Is it good?
I like it. But it's expensive. Cream blush.
Same.
I really want a cream blush.
Is Chilbury here?
No. And they're all out of stock, I think. I want to see Fenty Beauty one.
You use that on film or something.
I have so many at home and I don't like it because it's like you pop it on and it's like, okay, you already have red cheeks. You can't control it, like.
They use it a lot for your lips.
Yeah, yeah. It is. Why are they all the way down there? Where? Right there. Here. But they don't have any nice shades. Ew. Yeah.
What's that?
I can't do it. It's probably the one I want.
Oh no. It's better one.
It's the best one, yeah. Oh no. This is not ideal. How hard can it be to get a cream blush? Oh. Now that's a bit of me. And then this one. Oh, which one? I think I might get one of these. I think I like this one.
Which one?
I think I like that one.
Yeah.
What's it called? Betcha they do Pink Supreme.
This is highlight cream, yes, like.
I bet there isn't any, is there? Peach Pop? Nope.
Peach Pop?
Peach Pop? Nope. Look at how shaky I am.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh my Jesus.
There's only two left. Oh, hateful.
Why?
Pull out.
I'm gonna ask because that's really annoying. I'm very annoyed.
What is it called?
This one, Pink Supreme. Betcha they don't have any. And it's a perfect colour. I'm going to cry. Today's the day. Yeah. Slowing us down there, Laura.
Sorry.
I'm joking. You're going to be in the vlog. Your feet are Look at him. Look at the mugs. Look at the elephant mug over there. I love them. And them little dishes. I still use the one you got me last time.
They're handy.
Yeah. That's like my colours. I literally like everything. That's so cool.
That'd be so nice in the garden, like against the walls.
Marta?
Yep, thank you. I got it. And how do you open this? I want to swirl around though. It's not going to be the same. Okay, they can't see me. That's like a really sweet ice caramel macchiato. That's nice. Yeah, just a really sweet caramel macchiato. Even though it doesn't have caramel, it has brown sugar. But it's nice. I'd get it again.